Life is made up of connections. Connecting people with places and products is important, but connecting them safely is essential. Welcome to Ottawa, where the Confederation line is keeping the community moving. But how do you keep trains running, in some cases 22 hours a day? How do you make sure passengers and employees alike are safe? Look behind the scenes and you'll find a group of people who are engaged, passionate, and dedicated to keeping those trains on the go safely and efficiently for all. The work being done is vital. Maintenance is nonstop, and it can be anything from cleaning to mechanical electrical overhauls. The trains, the support systems, the facilities, the overhead catenary system, the tracks, all are the responsibility of Rideau Transit Maintenance, including the wheel lathe. Reprofiling is important to ensure a smooth and consistent shape. The lathe smooths out a little bit of the steel, and that ensures a comfortable ride for passengers. But that's not the only thing going on behind the scenes. Trains are incredibly sophisticated machines. The rail system and vehicle technology is complex and state-of-the-art, made up of multiple and unique subsystems. An issue in one subsystem can impact the orderly operation of another. That's why everything has to work together to ensure a smooth, comfortable ride for the passengers. Every night as trains come in, they're cleaned. It's quite an exhaustive task. Then there's maintenance of the overhead catenary system, and maintenance of the track itself, including the switches. These electromechanical switches require greasing every few days. During winter, they must be cleaned so there's no snow and ice buildup. During the week, the trains run until 1 o'clock, but that doesn't mean that everything comes to a grinding halt. As the last train leaves the station at 1 a.m., crews are deployed out into the main line 40 to 45 minutes later. Trains begin running again at 4:15 a.m. That's a 2-hour window, a window in which switches, OCS, track maintenance, and anything else that may have occurred during the course of the day is expertly addressed.
Permission granted. Be advised there's a train accessing the shed on track 30 currently.
There's a dangerous element to it all. We're talking about moving vehicles that are 86 tons. That's why safety is paramount. The objective is to make sure employees go home to their families in the same condition as they were at the start of their shifts. None of it happens without the dedication of those employees. They take pride in what they do. There's a great sense of camaraderie and teamwork. What they accomplish every day is nothing short of amazing. Vehicles are assembled in Ontario, tested here in Ottawa, and run here by local people. They have a vested interest in making sure Ottawa passengers have a reliable, consistent, safe train running every single day. Why? Because they use it too.